Ever feel that little jolt of fear when you go to stand up, like your legs might give out on you? You're not alone, and it's not just about getting older. After 60, we naturally lose leg strength faster than most people realize. But here's the secret few know: isometric exercises, the ones you do without moving, can actually rebuild that lost strength. The best part? You can do every single one of them sitting at home. Today, I'll walk you through 5 simple but powerful exercises that are helping thousands of people regain stability, confidence, and strength, and prevent falls for good. And trust me, the first one is so easy it'll surprise you. Before we get started, drop a quick comment below and tell me where you're watching from. I'd love to see how far this message can reach. Exercise 1. Having trouble standing up from a chair? That's often one of the first signs your legs are losing strength, and it's incredibly common. More than 70% of adults over 60 experience it, and it's usually the first step toward losing independence. The main culprit? Weak quadriceps, those big muscles on the front of your thighs. They're the ones that help you stand up easily, climb stairs, and keep your balance while walking. The great news is that there's a proven fix: isometric quadriceps contractions. This simple exercise, widely recommended by physiotherapists who work with seniors, has shown amazing results. Participants regained up to 30% of lost leg strength in just 8 weeks of regular practice. Why is this exercise so effective? It all comes down to how it activates the deep muscle fibers, the ones you don't normally use in everyday movement. When you contract your quads and hold that position without moving, you create constant tension that forces every fiber to work together. It's like waking up muscles that have been asleep for years. That steady contraction doesn't just build strength, it improves the brain-to-muscle connection, making your movements more controlled and secure. Other benefits include better circulation, less joint pain, and even stronger bones around the knees. Many people say they feel more confident in their daily routines, and that's just the beginning. Are you losing strength in your legs? Let's do a quick self-check. Do you need to use your hands to push yourself up from a chair? Do you avoid stairs whenever you can? Do your legs start shaking after standing for a few minutes? Or do you struggle to catch yourself when you trip? If you said yes to any of these, your body is waving a red flag. But here's the good news: all of this can be reversed with the right exercises. And by being here, you've already taken the first step. Exercise 2. Ever notice how some people lose balance when stepping to the side or turning quickly? That happens because a group of muscles called the adductors, on the inner thighs, tend to weaken with age. When they do, your lateral stability disappears, and falls become much more likely. Luckily, there's a super simple fix: the isometric ball squeeze. You can do it sitting in any chair, and it directly strengthens those inner thigh muscles that keep you steady and upright. What if I don't have a ball? No problem. You can use a small pillow, a rolled-up towel, or even a tennis ball. What matters is that you feel those inner thigh muscles working. Start by holding the squeeze for 15 seconds, and as you get stronger, build up to 30 seconds or more. This move not only strengthens your thighs, it also improves knee alignment, eases lower back pain, and helps you feel more stable in daily life. Exercise 3. Here's a story that completely changed the way I think about leg strength. I met a 76-year-old man who struggled to walk across his own backyard. He had back pain, poor balance, and had fallen more than once, even though he thought he was staying active. He was ignoring his glutes, the biggest and most powerful muscles in the body. Once he learned how to do isometric glute contractions, everything changed. In just a few months, he regained balance, rebuilt strength, and started walking pain-free again. Why this one's a game changer? Your glutes are the real power center of your body. When you contract and hold them, you activate deep muscle fibers that stabilize your hips and support your spine. This improves coordination between your glutes, core, and thighs, creating a stronger, more balanced system overall. Results? Less back pain, better posture, and less strain on your knees. It's honestly one of the most effective exercises you can do to stay strong, steady, and confident. Exercise 4. A big mistake most workout plans for people over 60 make? They forget about the calves. Your calves are vital for good circulation, balance, and quick reactions when you lose your footing. When they weaken, you might notice swelling, slower walking, or feeling heavy in your legs. The fix is simple: isometric heel raises, done right from your chair. Lift your heels while keeping the balls of your feet on the floor, and hold the position. That tension strengthens your calves and boosts blood flow. With time, it'll help reduce swelling, improve your balance, and give your legs more endurance. Start by holding for 10 seconds and work up to 30. For an extra challenge, try one leg at a time to even out your strength. Quick but important warning: don't hold your breath while doing these exercises. It might feel natural to tense up, but that actually makes them less effective and can raise your blood pressure. Instead, breathe slowly and naturally. Inhale through your nose, stay calm, and keep the tension in your muscles, not your face. This one change can seriously boost your results. Exercise 5. There's a myth that only big muscles matter, but the small ones in the front of your lower leg, called the tibialis anterior, play a huge role in preventing trips and falls. These muscles lift the front of your feet when you walk. When they weaken, you start dragging your toes, which can easily lead to falls. Why this one's so great? You can do it anywhere, watching TV, reading, or even chatting on the phone. Just lift your toes toward you and hold. You can work both legs at once or one at a time. This simple move helps improve balance, boosts confidence when walking, and dramatically reduces those little stumbles that can turn into something serious. Do all 5 of these exercises 3 times a week, holding each contraction for around 10 seconds to start. With time, you'll feel your strength return, and with it, your independence and confidence.